Welcome to another delicious recipe from the Saraswat kitchen.
For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive the latest updates.
We need half onion, medium sliced, garlic cloves, 6 to 7, tulsi or holy basil leaves, 7 to 8, alsi or flax seeds 1 teaspoon, cloves, 2, cinnamon, about 1 inch, black pepper pods, 5 to 6, crushed ginger, 1 teaspoon. Heat the flax seeds by covering the pan. This prevents the seeds from tossing out. Turn off the stove once you hear the rattling sound. Remove the lid and add 4 cups water. Turn on the stove. Coarsely crush the spices using a mortar and pestle. Add all ingredients into the pan. Let the mixture boil until it halves. This kadhai is a perfect remedy for fever, common respiratory and digestion issues. You can also have it with honey or jaggery. Do not add honey to boiling kadha. Turn off the stove and let it rest for 20 minutes. Filter the kadha and sip it hot. After all the kadha is consumed, repeat the process one more time by adding water. The second batch is called as nikada. Try this decoction and tell us your experience. I hope you enjoyed this video. To watch more delicious recipes, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.